It may be time to replace your roof, but that can be an expensive prospect. Luckily, some changes to the tax code have made it more affordable than ever, and installing a cool roof can help you save even more. Keep watching. Cool roofing. Cool roofing materials are designed to reflect sunlight rather than absorbing it. This can help you save a ton of money on your energy bills and reduce your environmental footprint. Air conditioning represents one of the biggest chunks of your business's power bill each month. Cool roofs can help you reduce air conditioning costs by around 15%. They can also save you money on maintenance since your air conditioner won't have to work as hard to cool your space, which means less chance of things breaking down. Tax deductions. There are two different ways putting on a new cool roof can save your business money. Doing any sort of improvement to your commercial building can qualify you for a federal tax deduction. This deduction is called Section 179, and it can allow you to deduct up to the entire cost of your new roof from your taxes. In the past, you would have to let your roof replacement cost depreciate over 39 years with the Section 179 tax deduction, meaning you could deduct 1/39 of your roofing cost each year. But in 2018, the rules changed, allowing you to deduct the full cost the year the roof is installed instead. The limit on the expense deduction also increased from $500,000 to $1 million, and the phase-out limit increased from $2 million to $2.5 million. A phase-out limit is the amount of money you can spend while still qualifying for certain amounts of tax credits. The higher you're spending, the less credit you're eligible for. The lower you're spending, the more credit you're eligible for. What qualifies? A variety of commercial buildings can qualify for the Section 179 deduction, including retail buildings, office buildings, industrial buildings, apartment buildings that are at least 4 stories high, and warehouses or other industrial spaces. The equipment must be purchased and installed in the year you're claiming the tax for. So if you replace the roof in 2020, you'll need to wait until the 2021 tax season to claim the credit. Any improvement to your roofing should qualify you for the Section 179 deduction. The same also goes for improvements to alarms, security systems, HVAC systems, and fire suppression systems. The equipment may be new or used, though in the case of a roof, you'll likely be working with new material. You don't have to pay cash for your new roof in order to qualify for Section 179. In fact, taking advantage of Section 179 financing can help you save even more money. In simple terms, you can deduct the full amount of the new roofing cost from your taxes this year without having to pay the full amount this year. How to file. You'll need to use IRS Form 4562 to elect to take the Section 179 deduction. You can use the IRS instructions on how to fill out this form to make sure you get everything right. Once you file this form, you should get the full cost of your roof replacement deducted. If you'd like to get started installing your tax-deductible roof today, reach out to us at HP Roofing Pro. We can help you make sure your project gets done on time and on budget, and all our work is held to an extremely high standard. Contact us today to request a quote for your new cool roof.